welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today is one of my most favorite days of the month because I've gotten my Jane's Agenda deluxe planner box. So she is now designing the outside of these boxes. So this is the box that it ships in. So she is designing the outside of the box to align to the products inside, the styles inside. So can you guys kind of maybe guess what the theme is this month? I'm going to hide my address here. Okay, see what I'm saying? I think it's a water theme. This is probably one of my top favorite boxes so far, the box design, and I am keeping my boxes. All right, here I go. I'm opening it up. Oh, and it's so pretty inside too. There we go. So pretty. Now let's see. She says, let this month's curation be your permission slip to wander. Whether you're plotting a summer getaway or simply seeking moments of calm, the June box is here to bring softness, ease, and light into your planning routine. So it's stop in there. Let's dive in. Now she does do spoilers. So if you were wanting to know what this was before you purchase, she does offer spoilers. However, you do run the risk of these boxes already being sold out by the time the spoilers are shown. So, okay, our first item is our little goodie pack, where we always get a thank you card from her. And here's this time. And we have got some little inspirational cards. We have this first one. Set your course by the stars, not by the lights of every passing ship. Omar and Bradley. This next one is work like a captain, play like a pirate. Oh my goodness gracious, I love that. I love that. My favorite, vacation loading. That's like that's in my mind 24/7. And then also in our goodie bag, we have some clips, and we have 2 clips, and they are anchors. Isn't that cute? We got 2 of those. They're so cute. Love those. Next, this is interesting, and I did see this, but again, like I always say, I forget. These are decorative stickers. So it's a decorative sticker sheet, and it's the theme is sea life, and I'm trying to see what I could put behind this. There we go, to kind of so you can visually see it. Aren't those cool? Now I will say I wish these had been colored. I think it would have just been so much better if these had been colored. Unless there's things in here that have the colored background that you can place these on to make them really pop. I wish they were colored, but I still love them. Okay, so one of our, it's not a dashboard, is it? This item, I don't think no, I think it is a dashboard. And it does, so she always has on, let me show you. So this is Explore. Again, I always get the mini size. That's why it looks so small. It is the smallest that she makes. And what I showed you, well, let me double check. Yes, so what I showed you is before I pull off the protective backing. So you're going to see the difference once I pull this protective backing off, but it prevents scratches before it arrives to us. I'm getting all this off here. So see how more it's shiny now. I love that. Explore. So we've got a ocean travel theme going on here. I'm digging it. I'm really liking this, considering traveling is my most favorite thing to do in the world, even over subscription boxes. Okay, so we've got some, or are these called dashboards? These might be called dashboards. Well, we'll find out here when I read the thing. Okay, now these are the same on the front and the back, and I will say she did show these, but as always, the color is not truly represented, so I don't know if it's going to be here either. What I'm seeing is a very mute color. It's beautiful, the sail ship, and you have it on both sides. And you guys, it's beautiful. It really is. So, look at this. Doesn't that make you want to be on the beach? We had plans to be on the beach in a couple weeks, but our plans unfortunately have changed. Love planning. Look at this. Love that. Okay. What do I show you next? What do I show you next? All right. So I think this is going to be our cover, along with some other things. It is. So she tried to explain this to us, and she shared that it's too difficult for her to be able to truly show it. These are our dashboards. I'm going to show you the front first. And again, like I said, you guys, you are not going to fully be able to appreciate this at all. So this is a whale. Now, what I'm running my fingers over here, it's raised. It is etched into this cover. Well, it's got some plastic on it. So this is all etched in. This is a wave. I'm trying to, there we go. You guys, it is super, super cool and super pretty. And here, you can't really see, but it's like the stars, and they're etched in. And then the back side is similar with the etching, and it's all whales. See these? There we go. So again, on this, I had it upside down. See the whales? And the etching is on the back side here. So really, I mean, I guess you could put it either on the back or on the front. Either side works. And it is super pretty, you guys. I love it. It's great. Is our page finder. And our page finder this time, she packages the stuff so nice. You gotta like dig in. All right. It also has a protective backing. This one was much easier to bring off. And it is pink, and it looks like it is seaweed. And it is raised, yes. So as I bring my finger across, it is raised. Also, very pretty. We are not done. Okay, more of our cardboards. And we have 2 of these, and here's the front side and the beach setting, and here's the back side. Love those pebbles. Now, this is the same, but you can see how she does it. So you are able, on the back here, face you want to show, because you have the option of both. Love that. Now, she also gives us some inserts, and this month our inserts are travel inserts. Okay, so the beginning of the inserts are, so we have, let me see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is odd that we get 4, not 5. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, So we have 4 outfit planners. And then sometimes these inserts end up in her shops and sometimes they do not. It's just one of those risks that you take if you're not a subscriber to the box. Then again, we have 4 packing lists. And then on the back of both of these is dot grid. Then we have 3, I'm assuming it's 4, 3, 4, yes. So on this side, it's a trip planner. And on the back side is our travel itinerary. You guys, I cannot wait to put these in and start my planning and just start. We do have one trip that is still on. I'm super excited about for the fall. So I will be able to fill these out for that trip. And then we have earlier this year. It is a conference companion. Now, of course, on the back is the conference schedule. Now, one thing that is interesting about the conference schedule, I wish that she would have had both sides conference companion. Reason being is every conference now has an app where your schedules are on the app. So I would have rather have had the conference companion on both sides, but that's okay. Now, if any of these do not work for you, the themes, you can use washi tape stickers to label over the text, because you still have the check boxes, you still have the lines, so you still have the inserts to make them work for you. And then we just have some note pages. And on the back are the lines. So that is our inserts for this month. And I love it because it's my most favorite thing. And we always get the box that I can't remember the name. I don't remember, you guys, but I know you get it in the deluxe. So she always, at least in the deluxe, gives you like a signature item. And this month's signature item, she showed it, but again, you cannot fully judge it until you see it. So it is a bag. And it's branded Jane's Agenda. And look at the size. We have there, pocket there, pocket there. Now, actually, we have this side. Now, someone said, I thought I saw someone say that the size of planner that I have will fit in this section. Okay, so it's the sides have pockets, the front has a pocket. The back does not have a pocket. And she said that she created this so that you could put one-handed, you can put it over your shoulder. Now, she has mentioned this being like, being used as a beach bag. For me, this is way too small to be a beach bag. I could not use this as a beach bag. It is lined inside, so it's very nice. The bag is definitely usable, but it's not, I couldn't use it as a beach bag. It's just too small, but it is a beautiful bag that is very nicely crafted. And I like it. There you go. This deluxe box is $79.95 each month, and then you do pay tax. The experience. I'm giving it a 10. I love how she has everything neatly, professionally looking packed. I love the experience. Love the box. Experience is definitely a 10. Quality's 10. I cannot deny the quality is 10. Her dashboards are spot on. Now the value. It might not look like to some people that we have a lot of items, but we did get a lot of items, and these are not cheap items, you guys. So value, now I will say these are not cheap items. Do I think these items need to be as expensive as they are? I don't, but that's just what it is. So value, I'm gonna go a 9. I don't want to do a 10. New, different, unique. Every month she does a different thing, so it's different every month. I'm gonna do a 9. Retention, usability. Here's where the score might drop. I see these items as a treat to yourself each month, because if you are getting these monthly boxes every month, that you're going to end up, I mean, you can't use all of them every single month, so you are going to use you are going to end up with an excess of them. Now, there's still things that you could do with these, and she does talk about that sometimes, but I mean, you are going to end up with an excess at some point. Now, some people online sell. Now, I don't know if they're completely selling unused or what it is, but retention, usability, I gotta go with the 7, you guys. I do. But it is what it is. That's what it is. I mean, it is what it is. So my total score then for this month is 45 out of 50, which is a pretty darn good score. 45 out of 50. So it's great. As always, thank you again for tuning in and spending some time with me this evening. I hope everything is going great wherever you are, and we will see each other again soon. Bye, everyone.